Another name that had a strong week, Microsoft. The shares 8% gain this week, their best since November of 2020. And the Chartmaster says there are more gains to come. So let's bring in Carter Worth of Worth Charting. Carter, what are you looking at?
It was a big week for Microsoft and, of course, for the market. I've got one Microsoft chart, and it's a relative chart. Let's look at it. So a ratio chart is simply one thing divided by another, and this chart is Microsoft divided by the S&P. And what it means, essentially, if the line is going up, Microsoft is outperforming. If it's going down, it's underperforming. But here's the thing. As it stands, every single time Microsoft's relative line has dipped to the trend line, it has bounced. You see the arrows drawn? And so what we know is its relative performance peaked on December 1st, and 6 months later, to where we are now, Microsoft has underperformed the S&P by 1,000 basis points. That's a pretty wide spread for it, and the thinking is you buy for a bounce. Big name at a big juncture. But of course, the news for the week is crypto. Everything was up, but the most speculative thing of all was not. So Ethereum and Bitcoin, that is a very straightforward comparative chart. You see two colors, orange and blue, that's 6 months. Look at the 12-month comparative chart. They are the same thing. Look at the 5-year comparative chart. They are the same thing. And so key, we had biotech bouncing this week and ARK bouncing and China shares bouncing, but not Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's look at the two charts on their own. The first is the absolute chart of Bitcoin. You see the authority of the 30,000 level and unable to bounce 1 week, 2 weeks, and now starting to undercut. A break is underway. You can go as low as the imagination will allow. And Ethereum, final chart, it's the same thing. Well-defined lows at a common level, hovering ominously, and now starting to break below those lows.
Carter, thank you. We'll see you in a few on Options Action. And don't miss the CNBC special Crypto Night in America. That's tonight, 6 p.m. Eastern Time. BK, not long ago, Bitcoin is very correlated to the NASDAQ. And here we are. Great week for the NASDAQ, terrible for Bitcoin.
Yeah, I think that's the biggest news of this week is that correlation has broken. And most people in crypto thought, well, that correlation would break and Bitcoin would go up and the NASDAQ will go down. Didn't happen that way. Under the surface, I think what's happening is the Luna and the stable coin that blew up has really hurt a lot of funds and a lot of investors out there. And I think there's some liquidations going on. Selling off Ethereum, selling off Bitcoin, although Bitcoin has outperformed a little bit. But until that is cleared, and I don't know where that'll be, maybe it's Ethereum at 1,500 or Bitcoin at 21,000, as Carter says, wherever your imagination takes you. But it's very clear that the selling is not done and it has not been cleared out yet.
Can we get a status check on your Bitcoin short?
Still short, and short Ethereum as well. But, I covered some in the mid, I think around 26,000 on that dip, put them out again at around 29.5 or so. And so I'll trade around it. In the long run, I still think Bitcoin is probably one of the best investments out there. But in the short term, we've got to get through this kind of market turmoil.
I'm going to pivot a little bit and address that Microsoft S&P relative performance chart. I think it's very telling. I think Microsoft, if you look at the fundamentals, just stepping away from Carter's information just for a second, $44 billion of debt versus $64 billion of free cash flow, $130 billion of cash. That's probably going to be the type of name that you see people fly to when we roll over, if we roll over. Let not pretend like I can predict the future. What I will say, though, is that I don't necessarily think it's bullish for the market. You will still see that outperformance trend continue, but it is very possible that at least in the short to medium term that it is to the downside.